All right, quick notepad lesson. So you are energy, thoughts are energy. All right, atoms, don't quote me, but I believe they're like 99% energy, whereas they're 1% matter. Now, the thing here is Einstein, through E equals mc squared, his famous equation, showed that mass and energy are equivalent. If it has mass, it has energy, vice versa. Okay, and we'll expand on how this applies to you get what you think. All right, so if you are energy, if thoughts are energy, and if mass and energy are equivalent, every thought that you have, right, is energy, and that can convert to mass easily, right? And if we actually think about how this happens, we can very quickly understand this. So you have a thought, right, and then that creates energy. It is energy, right, and it creates energy, and it can translate into actual mass in the physical world, right? So maybe you take an action, and then something manifests physically in the world, right? And really the way to think about this is just mass and energy. They're all the same thing. Okay, I know we tend to think like, oh, this is a table, right? This has mass, whereas energy is like electricity, we can't see it or whatever, but it's not as simple as that. So if we look at it this way, thought, energy, okay, it creates an effect in reality, in mass, and then we have useful, not useful, all right? Now, I did my best to illustrate how this kind of all goes around. So useful attracts useful, because energy attracts energy. Things attract energy, and that's what this is right here. So energy attracts energy. Example, the gravity of planetary bodies. The bigger the planet, the more gravity, and the more that's attracted to it. The smaller the planet, the less attraction, okay? So if energy attracts energy, and we have useful thoughts, and we have not useful thoughts, okay? Now, your useful thoughts attract useful energy. Your not useful thoughts attract not useful energy. Now, we know the difference. We know people that are Debbie Downers, and they're energy vampires, right? And they always have something to be negative about. And we know those people that are naturally optimistic, charismatic, etc., and we want to be around them. We get filled up when we're around them, whereas people that tend towards the negative end of the spectrum pull energy from us, okay? And also the other thing about brain thought energy is if you think something in your brain, under a brain scan, we can see on a machine the electrical activity happening, right? Thoughts are energy. Okay, right now you're expending calories to just listen to what I'm saying. Okay, so my focus is not like right now. So this is why you get what you think, and this is why fundamentally this is so important. You must control your thoughts. Plus you must control your environment. They go hand in hand. Thoughts can affect environment. Environment then affects thoughts. It's a big feedback loop. And remember, energy attracts energy. Use the example of the planetary bodies. Very well understood. So if your thoughts are useful, you will attract useful thoughts. If they're positive, you will attract positivity. If they're not useful and negative, you will attract negativity and things that aren't useful. Quick lesson for the day.